brand new system.
Hi guys, today I'm going to make a burong isda, but first I'm gonna show you how to clean this bottle. I have warm water here. I used the microwave to warm the water, pero pwede nyo namang mag-boil sa kalan. But anyway, this is how I do it. So first, I'm gonna clean this first. So I'm gonna pour this warm water inside of the bottle, I mean in the jar. And then try to like shake it. This is like to, so probably after 5 to 10 minutes you can dump the water. Then just try to dry the jar by itself like that. So here's the main ingredients. I have tilapia here, rice, ginger, salt, and that's about it. What I did to the tilapia, I cleaned it well. I removed all the blood around it. I deboned it. Some people doesn't like to debone it because the bone can give a little bit of flavor to the meat for the buro. And when you cook a rice, you have to wait till it's cold, yung hindi na mainit, kasi kailangan talaga malamig yung rice. And then ginger, you have to mince it. It depends. It's up to you how much ginger you wanna put. And I have 1/4 cup of salt. I don't know, a tablespoon of salt. I separated it because this tablespoon of salt, I have to use this for the tilapia. Okay, so let's start. So let's start with the tilapia. We have to use this tablespoon of salt. We have to pour this to the tilapia and mash with it. And try to make sure you have to drain it well too, para walang halong tubig. So once you've done this, we can start mixing all together in a bigger bowl. So in a bigger bowl, we have to just move all the ingredients. So our tilapia and our rice, 5 cups of rice. Take note, it's supposed to be cold rice. Bahaw po, bahaw. Just stir, and then we can start putting the salt gradually until we stir together. Stir well. This is what we do. We just stir. would rather just use my hands so I can stir it well. I remember this is my grandpa's recipe, and I really love to eat them because it's so good. I used to just watch them making this, and now I'm making it myself. Now we can put the ginger. And just stir it well. That way you incorporate the salt and the rice and the fish. This is how they do this. Okay, after we stir well, now we can start filling up this jar. So it's dried enough so we can fill it up. So what I do, I put rice first in the bottom. Just fill it up, guys. Try to make sure to compress all the rice without a space in there. I think that way it's my grandma used to tell me that, and she said that it's easier to ferment the fish. water. Make sure there's no fly around you, because they said this won't gonna make us buro if it's dirty, because it will start a worm or something like that. Uuurin po ang buro nyo pagka hindi malinis. That's why they said this is one of the most cleanest food. One of the most. Kasi hindi magiging buro kung malinis pagkakagawa. So this is the product. This is the buro I made. So you have to store it in a room temperature for a week before you start checking it if it's ready or not. And then after that you can store them in a fridge if you want to. They're ready. They're fermented already. Well, have a good day and enjoy.